In this video, I'll show you how to add an unsubscribed link in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And from here, you want to click on the second option, which is Campaigns. Now, once you are on the campaign section, what we need to do is simply head over to the campaign in which we want to edit. Let's say this will be our email campaign. Now, on the right hand side of that campaign, head over to the action section, and at the bottom, simply click on edit. Now that will take you to the preview of your campaign. From here, head over to the fifth section at the bottom, which is content. And on the right hand side of content, click on the button to edit the design. Now that will take you to the editor of your campaign. What you want to do is simply head over to the footer. Now there are two ways to head over to the footer. The first way is by simply scrolling down at the very bottom, and that will automatically be your footer. What you could also do is at the left hand side, which is on the navigation panel, click on the second option, which is sections. And from here, you want to click on the last option, which is footer. Now, once you are on the footer section, in order for you to add an unsubscribe link, now this could also be on your header. You can add an unsubscribe link wherever. Usually you can see the unsubscribe link within the footer, so I do suggest that you add it within the footer. From here, what I want you to do is simply type the exact text in which you want to link the unsubscribe link. In here, just simply type unsubscribe. As you can see, I added unsubscribe if you wish to not receive. Now, in order for you to add the unsubscribe link, what you need to do is simply highlight the text wherein you want to link the unsubscribe link. This will be my text for unsubscribe. Now, once you do that, at the very bottom, you will have an option to add a link. What you can also do is once you highlight a text, at the top, you will automatically see the two pins for link. Now, once you click on link, head over to the bottom. Now in here, you want to make sure that this is linked to a web. Now below the web, what you need to do is enter the URL. Now on the URL, what you need to do is add the link to your subscriber's personal profile update page in order for them to unsubscribe to your campaign. Now to add that, what you need to do is add an asterisk and then hold shift and the backslash that will add a vertical line. From here, you want to capitalize update and then add an underscore, then type profile. You want to end this by a vertical bar again by simply holding shift and the backslash, and then add an asterisk. Once that's done, head over to the bottom and click on save. Now, if you highlight unsubscribe, at the bottom, you will have an option to preview the link. And if you click on edit link, you will automatically see the exact URL in which you added. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and click on save. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.